our YouTube channel!
Kami sa may Kabagan Square Park upang suriin ang mga geometric design at kung paano nito nahuhubog ang sining, kultura at ganda ng Kabagan Isabela.
Ngayon, ipapaliwanag muna natin kung ano ang geometric design.
Ano nga ba? Tell me!
Geometric design refers to the use of geometric shapes, patterns, and principles to create visually appealing and functional designs. It involves the application of mathematical concepts such as points, lines, angles, and shapes to create compositions that are aesthetically pleasing and effective in communicating a message. Geometric design also formed by using basic shapes such as squares, triangles, rectangles, circles, and many more to make patterns that look artistic and creative. It deals with the construction and representation of free-form curves, surfaces, or volumes, and is closely related to geometric modeling.
Bago ang paglilibot at pamamasyal, balikan muna natin ang history ng Kabagan Isabela.
Kabagan Isabela has a story rooted in its role as a key town in the colonization of the Arayos in southern Isabela. Initially known as Cabaganville, now San Pablo, it was established by Spanish settlers after the Araya Rebellion. Cabagan officially became a town on November 30, 1646, and ecclesiastically on May 15, 1647. The town was originally named Maquila and was later relocated to its present site due to its proximity into Tuguegarao. The origin of the name Cabagan is debated, with theories suggesting it derived from the Ibanag words for stores in the village, Young Carabao, other side the river, or pilgrim or stranger.
Ang una nating makikita sa kinatatayuan ko ngayon ay ang steel glass art window ng simbahan. Binubuo ito ng hugis tulad ng triangle, square at makikita dito ang marami at iba't ibang hugis at mga kulay tulad ng berde, dilaw at asul. At sa gitna nito ay makikita ang cross symbol pattern na binubuo ng hugis parihaba na pumupukaw ng atensyon sa taglay nitong ganda.
In this area, the geometric design that we see is a plain bricks stereo. The bricks in a rectangular shape and are precise in the matter of construction with a harmonious proportion and geometric patterns. And also, it was arranged geometric patterns contributing its visually appealing looks and design.
Dito naman sa gate ng simbahan, makikita natin ang iba't ibang klase ng geometric design
May mga iba't ibang uri ng shape, may mga rectangle, square at patterns also.
Another example of geometric pattern is this word, which feature representation of shape, line and pattern to create a sense of freedom and unity.
The ceiling design the future of different shape in the symmetrical with different color like pink, yellow, and black, and the resulting a predictable and organized of composition. One is a cross of floral pattern featuring of prominent surf motif and showcasing combination of shapes symbolizing Saint Paul and reference to God's sword as a sword of the Spirit on the Bible.
The arrangement of rock and the arrangement of asymmetrical balance and coupled with the repetition of pattern and shapes.
Another example of geometric design is this shape. Triangular and exact pattern is also used for art, decorative, and for weaving. It is symbolized the Cabagueños culture.
How geometric design developed the culture of Cabagan Isabela.
Geometric design shows their elements like shapes, colors, compassion, and patterns, which has a vital role for developing local culture. This combination creates distinct design that conveys symbolic meaning and significance. Maraming churches sa simbahan ang ginamitan ng clay bricks stereo to preserve and maintain their beautiful appearance and connect to the cognition of heritage. This choice all reserve defining characteristic of the area. Inside the church, geometric patterns symbolize figures just like St. Paul the Apostle Parish Church. Encompasses the Clarosel Square Park use geometric design reflecting sustainable for children. Overall, the types of designs and the symbols they represent provides available into the culture of place.